Nag-order kami guys ng pizza. Diyan sa kapitbahay namin. Malapit lang dito guys. So pupuntahan namin ngayon ang asawa ko dahil 20 minutes daw. Tapos na yung yung let's go?
Yes, of course. I don't close that video. I'm coming after that.
Okay. Hi.
The key.
Where's your key? Nawala daw yung susi niya sa sasakyan. Ito kami ng baba guys. Tapos na yung pizza. Nandito lang naman guys yung pizza. Mag-pizza lang kami ngayon guys. Dahil tinamad ako magluto. Yes, of course. Ayan na yung isa. Nandito lang naman guys. Malapit lang. 2 minutes lang. Pabalik. Mga 5 minutes. Pabalik na siya guys. Toronto Pizza. Ayan o. Nandun na sa loob yung asawa ko guys. Wow! It's ready! Ayan guys. Yeah, and it's hot. No? Ayan guys, so what is this? Pizza
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Ayan guys, kain.
It's my favorite pepperoni.
Yes.
Italiano.
Huh?
Italiano pepperoni.
Yeah, very nice. What is nice? Hawaiian or this?
Hawaiian what ananas bullshit.
It's nice. Oh, it's very hot, honey.
Very nice.
Good hit, honey.
Thank you.
Love you.
Together rice, pack.
Yes, 1 second.
2.
Honey. Very hot. And guys, and of course with Coca-Cola. Nalagyan ko na siya ng ice guys. Kain tayo guys. Very hot.
Yes, but very hot, very nice.
Yeah.
I like too much.
Look. The cheese guys. Tinamad ako magluto guys.
And this is the salad.
Yeah. Pag after ng work ko 2 o'clock, dumadaan ako dito sa bahay ng 3:15 guys. Natulog ako. After ko magligo, natulog ako guys. Pagising ko is 5:20 na. So tumawag ako sa asawa ko kay Libby na kung hindi na lang ako magluto kasi tinamad ako guys. So ayan. Pagdating niya dito, bumili siya doon sa Toronto Pizza. Ito lang lagi ang nabibilihan namin guys. Masarap din yung mga pizza, ibang pizza. Pero ito lang yung malapit lang guys. So, madali lang. Ayan, 20 minutes lang siya guys. Kumain na kami. Saka mainit-init pa siya guys. What is your plan, my TikTok?
After, I meet on that.
Oh. Some.
We've been supporting NATO so long. In many cases, I believe paying almost 100% the cost.
Ano? Meron pa siyang isa doon. Dalawa kasi binili niya guys. Para may bukas pa daw ako. Kumuha lang kong dalawa. Guys. Paubos na siya guys. 3, 6 pieces na lang. 6 slice na lang ang naiwan, guys. Sarap, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. See you for the next vlog.